Okay, you're all on record now, guys, so here it is.
Yeah.
All right, we're December 7th, 2016. Taking him into custody, and his life sentence is going to begin. All right, we're going to have just a little fun here.
Good. PBX return. 1354.
9-8.
98.
I'm going to be en route to corrections with one male. Beginning mileage is 54855. Repeating 54855. Also.
Go also.
Can you have 926 in corrections contact me by PBX, please?
That's square 1354.
All right. So what they're doing now is that's
Two
Daryl.
days in jail, county en route, one male. Also.
Was that her?
I think so.
Good.
Yes.
Could you have 926 PBX 98 yourself? Clear. He's on the phone now. Okay. Thank you.
So what they're going to do now is Daryl's going to act like he's talking to me on my cell, and he's going to just kind of, oh, okay, oh, all right. So then what's going to happen is he's going to do this in front of Amber. So then he's going to call her outside of the main office and go, hey, Don's coming in with camera, and there's a warrant. So what she's going to do, of course, she's going to go, what's the warrant for? And they're going to go, well, I don't know. So why don't you go ahead and call down dispatch? So Amber's going to call dispatch.
And Ty's going to tell him it's a
Ty's going to say it's a warrant out of Douglas County for traffic failure to appear. So now comes the time you're gonna have to get the serious look and go, shit, make it look like you.
Like, oh my God, you're gonna kill me.
So we're just gonna take our time here just a little bit here and give a few minutes here so everything can kind of take place there. So. I'll come get you in just a second, kiddo. All right, good. Step out towards me. Watch your head when you get out. Step back towards me.
No. Hey.
Hey.
What the fuck, man? Alright, I'll get you out. You'll be fine. You'll be fine.
Take these off here.
Sorry.
No problem.
I'm not gonna hit him.
Okay. All right. I need you to empty out your pockets. Put everything up on there.
And you told me before he ever goes to jail you're gonna hit him.
I know, that's why he's...
Oh no.
No. Oh my God, I'm gonna fucking kill you. I'm gonna fucking kill you. Oh,
So the big answer is.
Hey, I had to do some hellish acting. Believe me, she wasn't minding it first, man. Hey, none of that.
I've never had an inmate do this.
yeah.
I figured it's every size.
It's okay.
It's okay.
I'm trying to keep her from going out there. And I was trying to block her voice.
I know.
Sorry, I don't mean to get your way.
It's not that everybody didn't know about this. Captain and everybody.
That part is we really do have to talk. And I don't lie all the time.
Oh my gosh.
Just when it's important.
Freaking out because he's like about to cry, and I'm like, it's okay, like I'm like a joke.
It went bouncing around here. I'm like, oh God.
I thought you were going to jump on it.
Oh, thanks, guys.
But Amber has those, when you tell her something she's not sure to believe, she has those eyes and she's like piercing at you, looking for a crack in your armor. You think you're lying to me? God.
Have my short day.
He's gotta go put a motor in Jeep.
All of them to do this.
You don't need him to run around, but look what I got.
God, that's great.
We were looking.
Oh, I was up here. I came up here.
That was freaking great. It worked out perfect.
Was the timing okay? Because we're driving around wasting time.
She was getting ready to go in here and run him or whatever. I actually had to call dispatch while she was sitting there on the side. She was